In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Einstein in Salesforce. By the end, you'll have Einstein turned on at the org level and understand the key confirmations you'll see along the way. Make sure you're signed in with admin permissions, and, if possible, do this first in a sandbox so you can review the impact on your users before rolling it out broadly. Start on your Salesforce homepage in Lightning Experience. Look toward the top right of the screen for the gear icon, which is your quick settings area. Click that gear to open the quick options and then choose Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the full setup workspace where we'll find the Einstein controls. Once you're in setup, use the quick find search box on the left. Type Einstein Setup. You should see an item called Einstein Setup in the results list. Click that to open the central hub for enabling Einstein features in your org. This page is designed to guide you through turning on Einstein and acknowledging the terms that go with it. On the Einstein Setup page, look for the main control that says Turn on Einstein. Click that button to start the activation process. You'll be presented with a confirmation step that typically includes a checkbox. Read the short statement so you understand what you're enabling, and then check the box to confirm your agreement. This acknowledgement is standard and helps ensure you're authorizing AI capabilities in your environment intentionally. After you confirm, you may see a brief loading indicator. That's normal. Salesforce is enabling the necessary services behind the scenes. Give it a moment to complete. Once it's done, the page will refresh or display a confirmation message indicating that Einstein is on. This is your signal that the core Einstein service is now active for your org. Next, you'll see additional checkboxes on the same page. These typically represent optional Einstein capabilities or recommended settings that enhance the experience. Work your way down the page, reviewing each one. If a checkbox aligns with what your team needs, turn it on. If you prefer a more conservative rollout, you can leave some unchecked and revisit them later. The key here is that you are not adding more steps. You're simply confirming additional parts of the Einstein experience as presented on this screen. As you toggle these options, keep your organization's data usage and governance in mind. Einstein works best when it has access to quality data and the right permissions, but you should only enable what you're comfortable with. If you're unsure about a particular checkbox, you can skip it for now and return to this screen after consulting your internal security or operations team. Nothing here is permanent. You have flexibility. When you've completed your selections, take a moment to confirm that the page still shows Einstein is on. That confirmation text is useful for validating that the main service was successfully enabled. If anything looks off, refresh the page or navigate back to Einstein Setup from the Quick Find box to reload the controls. Finally, know that you can turn Einstein off at any time from this same Einstein Setup page. You'll find a control to disable it if you need to pause the rollout, conduct additional testing, or respond to a change in requirements. This is helpful for staged deployments or if you want to pilot Einstein with a subset of users before enabling all the optional settings. That's it. You navigated from home to setup, opened Einstein Setup, turned on Einstein, confirmed the required checkbox, waited for activation, verified the Einstein is on message, and reviewed the optional checkboxes. If you're rolling this out to a wider audience, consider letting your team know what's available and where to find it, and document which options you enabled so you can track the results. Thanks for watching, and you're all set with Einstein in Salesforce.